like the fact that I will love you till I die. We are 12 billion light years from the edge. That's a guess. No one can ever say it's true, but I know that I will always be with you. I'm warmed by the fire of your love every day. So don't call me a liar, just believe everything that I say. There are 6 billion people in the world, more or less, and it makes me feel quite small, but you're the one I love the most of all. They say we never landed on the moon. There's no wind there, they assume. I guess conspiracies are nothing new, but I'm sure I've been there with you. And I don't believe that in space the only life is here on Earth. How could we be the only race that loves and hates till death from birth? But I do believe in love, though I should never rely on love. Nothing else excites me but loving you. Is it true a politician's heart can rust away and fall apart? I guess it must be hard, oh it must be hard to know what's good and to know what's easy. You might think it's strange